Good morning, girls. Welcome to the class of Business Communication. We are meeting to learn the last unit, and in the last unit, considering this last topic, report writing, yesterday we started with the introduction to the report writing. Then, after we understood about the origin, then the definition was explained, why to write a report. It's a systematic, well organized document, written document, a kind of an analysis on a subject or a problem. And to produce good report, we need to acquire some qualities to write. Then we discussed about the types, or before that I told you about the variety of reports. Significance of report એટલે કે એનું અગત્ય. Qualities of a good report that we saw. Characteristics we discussed. Then after we saw the structure. In the introduction, what to write for the body, and then conclusion. Now we have to start with today individual report, because only individual report writing is there in your syllabus. There are multiple ways to draft a report, but in your case the specifically individual report writing is provided. What we mean by individual report? When a report is drafted by an individual, it is called an individual report, as I told you yesterday. Where in person gathers all information regarding a problem, he makes the analysis of everything through findings and some recommendations and suggests appropriate conclusion. હવે તમે જ્યારે રિપોર્ટ લખો છો ત્યારે તમારે અમુક બાબતો જ ધ્યાનમાં રાખવાની છે. એ આ ચાર મુદ્દા છે. ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ રિપોર્ટ કેન બી ડ્રાફ્ટેડ into these 4 stages. The report includes term of reference, number 2 findings, number 3 recommendations, and number 4 conclusion. These 4 stages are mainly important for the report writing. Your report will be divided into these 4 sections. Got it? So while writing it, you are going to write about this. Today I am giving you, or I am going to dictate, I am going to write a kind of an example of report through which you will come to know that how this will be asked, what to write, and what information to be divided, to be included as a writer. એટલે હવે આપણે રિપોર્ટ પ્રેક્ટિકલી હું લખું છું, એન્ડ યુ કેન લિસન એન્ડ ઓબ્ઝર્વ ધ ફોર્મેટ કેરફુલી. Okay, now how the information or the instruction will be given to you. તમને ખબર કઈ રીતે પડશે કે તમારે કયા સબ્જેક્ટ ઉપર રિપોર્ટ લખવાનો છે. ઓકે, then we'll start with the instruction, like as the secretary of the Western India Cooker Manufacturing Corporation Limited, you have been asked by the Board of Directors to investigate into the causes of frequent strikes by your factory workers. Submit your report with recommendations to improve the situation. Fine girls, as I told you in the last lecture, yes, that reports are to be drafted to make organizational environment better. કોઈપણ સંસ્થામાં કોઈપણ જાતની મુશ્કેલી કે કોઈ તકલીફ કે કોઈ સમસ્યા જોવા મળે છે ત્યારે હાયર ઓથોરિટીઝ મે ફીલ એને એવું લાગે છે કે યસ ધેર શુડ બી સમ રીઝન્સ દેટ ટુ બી ફાઇન્ડિંગ ઓર ફાઉન્ડ આઉટ બાય ધ ઓથોરિટીઝ. તો કે કોઈક સમસ્યાના નિરાકરણ માટે કે કોઈ સોલ્યુશનના પર્પઝથી રિપોર્ટ્સ આર ડ્રાફ્ટેડ, રાઈટ. તો રિપોર્ટ્સ નોર્મલી ડ્રાફ્ટેડ બાય ધ સેક્રેટરીઝ, અને એમાંય ખાસ કરીને there is a format that you are supposed to follow while writing the report. Like as we are following in the letter writing, the same format we will be following here. Like we start with the હું આજે લખું છું, you just observe the report and then you will understand the matter. First and foremost thing that we have to write the heading, like the Western India Cooker Manufacturing Corporation Limited. That is to be written in the middle of the page at the center. After that we include under the heading address, (76) industrial area, GIDC shades, Bhaktinagar, Rajkot, three 60004. Fine. Now after the heading should be drafted in the middle of the page. Then after the heading, on the right hand side, or else you can write on the left hand side, date line. You can follow both the formats, like left hand margin format also would be convenient for you. Everything you can write from the left hand side, and even you can write right hand side also. Now the date of this would be, like today is 23rd March, 23rd March 2019, 21, sorry. Okay, now after that, again on the left hand side to the managing director, because it's an internal communication, it is in the company, the secretary who is writing the report and who is sending the report to the higher authorities. So address, inside address would be of the company, in which we will always write designation. Okay, fine. Now inside address would be the third stage, the managing director, comma, the Western India cooker manufacturing, that in short you can write MFG dot corporation dot ltd, that is limited. Next line 76, as we have written above, 76 industrial areas, GIDC shades, Bhaktinagar, Rajkot, three 60004. Now up till this we have done like heading, date line, inside address, that remains similar like the letter in the report writing also. Yes. Now salutation, the part of salutation again like the letter we were following, dear sirs. After that the subject line would be there. Again it would be written by you at the center. Report on the causes of frequent strikes by the workers of our factory. This should be written by you at the center. You can also use underline. You can also put in the bold manner, right? So that everybody can come to know that this is what the subject on which you are writing. Now, starting with the first paragraph. Up till this, girls, what I have written like, we are preparing the report and the subject of the report is board of directors have found out some kind of causes કે factory workers વારંવાર frequent એટલે વારંવાર strikes કરે છે, then what are the reasons of that and why they are doing this, and this was the task submitted to the allocated to the secretary, and secretary who is the writer of the report. એને એમ પણ કીધું છે કે તમારા recommendations પણ સૂચન પણ લખવાના છે, that you will come to know that this is what the things we have found out in the company. First paragraph, as I told you, that term of reference કે તમને આ રિપોર્ટ લખવા માટે સજેશન કોને આપ્યું હતું, ઇન્સ્ટ્રક્શન્સ કઈ રીતે મળી હતી, that you will be writing a kind of reference you are providing here. So in the very first paragraph you will start with like according to the instructions by the board of directors. In the last meeting, held in the last week, on 15th March 2021. I inquired fully into the causes of frequent strikes by our factory workers, and here I submit the following report. So this is how you are supposed to begin, right? You will write here this kind of reference you are providing, that who has instructed, why you are writing, what duty was allocated, what task was given to you. Under bracket I am writing like term of reference, so that you remember the point that you are supposed to follow. This you can write. Second paragraph. Throughout the month of May 2020 you can write. Throughout the month of February, like last week it was allocated the month of March. From last few days, I made a very careful. Why here I is used? Because I is the writer. તમે પોતે લખો છો because you are the single person who is allocated the task, so you have to use I, right? Subjective I. I made a very careful and complete study of grievances of our factory workers as per the memorandum submitted by them. Memorandum in which you can write a kind of a notice. એ લોકોએ ફેક્ટરી વર્કર્સે એમને મેમો આપ્યો હતો હાયર ઓથોરિટીઝને, અને એ મેમોનો અભ્યાસ પણ એને કરેલો. સેક્રેટરી હેઝ ઇવન read, studied, carefully seeing that memorandum which was submitted by the workers, and then the facilities given to their counterparts in other similar organizations, companies, and factories. વર્કર્સ છે એ કમ્પેરિઝન કરે ને કે ભાઈ અમારી સામેની ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન કે સામે કે બીજી ઘણી સંસ્થાઓ એવી છે કે જેમાં કામ કઈ રીતે ચાલે છે, રાઈટ, હાઉ દે આર ડુઈંગ, વોટ સેલરીઝ દે આર ગેટિંગ, વોટ ફેસિલિટીઝ દે આર receiving, and accordingly yes they will be receiving they should be received in the similar manner. એટલે કે એમને પણ આવી બધી સગવડતાઓ મળવી જોઈએ કે મળવા પાત્ર છે. એટલે આવું બધું એને વર્કર્સ તરફથી જાણવા મળ્યું. એટલે એને શું કીધું કે મેં થોડાક સમયથી અભ્યાસ કર્યો. I have found out that the complaint that were made by the workers and whatever they have written in the memorandum, અને જે કંઈ પણ એને મેમોમાં લખેલું હતું એ પણ હું અહીંયા અટેચ કરું છું. અને સાથે સાથે જે ફેસિલિટીઝ બીજી કંપનીઓ દ્વારા મળે છે એ પણ એ લોકોએ વાત કરી, રાઈટ. નાવ ઇન ધ નેક્સ્ટ પેરેગ્રાફ, I decided to take interview of the 5 senior factory workers. I also interviewed the secretary of our labor union. After the interview, I found out the following. Now what he has done as a secretary, he has to investigate the whole problem. So he decided to take few people's interview, like he decided to take 5 senior factory workers interview, and then also he interviewed secretary of the our means company's labor union. અને પછી એના ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ ઉપરથી એને શું જાણવા મળ્યું? The findings that he has found out. Yes, up till this was a part of term of reference. This is the second point, findings. This was the first point, term of reference. Second, findings, F capital. ફાઇન્ડિંગ્સ એટલે જે કંઈ પણ તમને પૃથ્થકરણ, જે અવલોકન તમે કર્યું, જે કંઈ પણ સંશોધન તમે કર્યું, એના તારણો તમને શું મળ્યા? વોટ આર એકચ્યુઅલી વોટ યુ હેવ ફાઉન્ડ આઉટ એઝ અ પાર્ટ ઓફ ફાઇન્ડિંગ્સ. Number 1, instead of the prevalent weekly wages system, instead instead of, it's a phrase, instead of એટલે ને બદલે, instead of the prevalent એટલે પ્રચલિત જે કંઈ પણ ચાલતું હોય સમાજમાં અથવા તો જે ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન પોલિસીઝમાં હોય એ પ્રમાણે કરવું પડે. પ્રિવેલન્ટ વીકલી વેજ સિસ્ટમ એટલે વેતન સિસ્ટમ, વેજ સિસ્ટમ કોમા we follow the monthly wage system. Wage એટલે વેતન. Yes, what exactly we were doing? કંપની શું કરતી હતી કે વીકલી વેજ સિસ્ટમ હોય, યુઝ્યુઅલી બધી કંપનીઓ વીકલી વેજ સિસ્ટમ ફોલો કરતી હતી. ઇન્સ્ટેડ ઓફ દેટ વી વર ફોલોઈંગ મંથલી વેજ સિસ્ટમ, એટલે આઉટડેટેડ સિસ્ટમ થઈ. સેકન્ડ પોઈન્ટ, વોટ હી રેઝડ, સેકન્ડ પોઈન્ટ, our wages are comparatively very low. આપણે બહુ જ ઓછું વેતન આપીએ છીએ. બીજું એનાલિસિસ એને એ જાણવા મળ્યું. થર્ડ, our workers do not have housing facilities near our factory. બહુ દૂર દૂરથી આવે છે. They are not living near to our factory areas. Number 4, other factories give them the following facilities to their workers. Which we do not give, like a decent residential RSI રેઝિડેન્શિયલ અકોમોડેશન એટલે રહેવા માટેની જગ્યા, અકોમોડેશન રહેણાંક. B, free electricity and water supply. Free electricity and water supply. C, free education to their children of the workers. Free night classes for the adults. Free night classes for the adults. Sports activities can be taught sports activities for them. F, free library with good magazines, free library with good magazines and reading room. Free medical aid. Free medical aid means to help. Now, these were the facilities provided by counterparts, other factory workers, and here they have listed out like these were given by the other companies, then why we are not receiving? So now it's time to recommend something. So next point would be like our point would be third point. Into bracket third, recommendations. Recommendations એટલે સૂચન. Recommendations એમાં સેક્રેટરી શું કહે છે? I feel that the expenses incurred on this એટલે કે વાપરવામાં આવે છે આ બધી સગવડતાઓ પર on these facilities are exempted from the income tax. So there is less burden on the company. જે કંઈ પણ સગવડતાઓ કંપની પોતાના વર્કર્સ માટે આપે છે એ ટેક્સેબલ ઇન્કમમાં નથી ગણાતી, એટલે કંપની માટે પણ એ હળવું થઈ જાય છે એવું સેક્રેટરી પોતે ક્લેરિફાઈ કરે છે. I therefore suggest એટલે પોતે સૂચન કરે છે the following measures એટલે કે પગલાઓ અને અમુક મેજર્સ કે સોલ્યુશન્સ આપે છે. A, salary should be paid on weekly basis. Second, higher wages should be given to them. all the above ઉપરની જેટલી ફેસિલિટીઝની વાત કરીએ એવું કહે છે all the above mentioned facilities to be given to our workers. Once in a month, we should hold a meeting with them. એટલે કે મહિનામાં એક વખત એમની સાથે મીટિંગ કરવી જોઈએ, એના પ્રશ્નો સાંભળવા જોઈએ, જેથી કરીને એક પર્સનલ ટચ આવે. યુ કેન બિલ્ડ ગુડ રિલેશનશિપ relationships with your workers, lower level management with them, અને જેથી કરીને વધારે સારી ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશન ફૂલ ફ્લેજ કામ કરી શકે. These were the suggestions given by him. Now concluding line. So here I will write in bracket fourth point as conclusion. Conclusion. Under the conclusion, what you will write, like these recommendations may please, કે જેથી કરીને તમને જાણીને આનંદ થાય. Please means to be happy. May please be considered sympathetically. સહાનુભૂતિથી વિચારજો, એની ઉપર અમલ કરજો. sympathetically, અને સંસ્થાને વધારે સારા મોડ ઉપર લઈ જઈ શકશો. sympathetically. Now on the right hand side, you can write complimentary clause. Yours faithfully, X, Y, Z. Secretary. Who is the writer? Secretary is the writer. So I hope that yes, this is the process which we have solved, how to write a report, right? This is how the report to be drafted, right? It starts with the heading, and it ends with the complimentary clause. What is missing here? Yes, the bordering is missing here. You should draft a report with using outside borders. So you can write an outside bordering of this and then you can complete it. So this is the first sample report is done, completed by me, right? I hope that these things have solved your problem regarding the writing process. It is divided into 4 sections: term of reference, findings, recommendations, and conclusion. So hereby I am ending the session. Already we have done first example. Tomorrow we'll continue with the another example. Thank you very much, girls. Do make writing in your classwork. Classroom માં લખી લેજો, classwork માં લખી લેજો, right? So that this would be a kind of a practice. That report should be drafted in this manner. I am ending here. We'll continue on tomorrow. Have a good day.